Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are making this beautiful pot using dot mandala technique, which is really very easy to make and requires very less materials. And the result is also very beautiful. So let's get started. So for the first, you'll need any pot like this. You can also reuse your old pot. Next, you need to paint it with any solid color of your choice. You can also use a sponge to avoid any brush strokes. Once you are done, you need to take any 2-3 colors of your choice. Here I have taken a combination of golden and white color and start making random dots on it using the materials you already have at your home like toothpicks, backside of the paintbrush, earbuds and many more. If you have made any mistake while making dots, you can remove it using an old cloth. Lastly, you can seal your work by applying 2 layers of Mod Podge glue, which is actually a mixture of glue and water, and you are done.